A diagram is crucial to the electrical wiring work. Now I'm going to share with you how to draw a neat electrical diagram. We will use a software named Inkscape, which is a free software, and you don't have to install it because it has a portable version. Final diagram. If you have made some elements of the diagram, you only have to use two icons in the panel, which are Select, Edit, and Line. Put elements. Connect the lines. Edit the lines. Mark the colors of the wires. Make the neutral and ground lines and the elements, and the other lines up above. Mark the colors in line for every group.